Virtual Product Integration. The Virtual Product Integration major sits at the intersection of engineering, information technology, and business process ownership. Students in VPI will take courses that deal with 3D modeling, model-based definition, data interoperability and standards, product data and configuration management, product lifecycle management, simulation and visualization, manufacturing and supply chain topics, and business processes. VPI graduates tend to go to work in one of three types of roles. In large companies that have dedicated PLM teams, VPI students become members of those teams. They work in support of design and manufacturing personnel by deploying or extending the capabilities of existing software tools. In smaller companies, VPI graduates tend to fill the role of an IT manager in charge of PLM toolsets. They may also do some design work as they have enough math and physics background to be literate in the design space. Finally, consulting and PLM services companies, such as Deloitte or Accenture, have been recruiting VPI students to enter their consulting and business improvement teams, focused on PLM technology, integration with business processes. VPI is an emerging discipline that is incredibly important for modern manufacturing enterprises. As digital manufacturing technologies and methods become more common, there's a huge gap in the skill sets of most engineering and manufacturing personnel. While the current workforce is very good at design and production, many lack the information and technology literacy necessary to support 21st century manufacturing. This is where VPI graduates come in. You'll find VPI graduates doing things like developing software or plugins to extend the capability of 3D modeling or analysis tools, which will allow engineers to design and build better products across the company divisions and continents. In order to manage that environment, it's critical to have a stable, robust computing and data sharing architecture. You'll find VPI graduates developing specifications for those systems, creating the product data model to support the enterprise, or overseeing the security model for how companies interact with their suppliers. VPI graduates will also help companies remain in compliance with regulatory standards by doing things like creating data translation and validation processes, deploying the necessary tools, and building a data curation policy for archiving product data according to industry standards. Finally, you might also find a VPI graduate training their colleagues in the use of new design, manufacturing, or analysis tools in support of the product lifecycle management processes within their company. Virtual product integration has its origins in what was called drafting, which then evolved into modeling, both of which are related to design. As the technologies evolved for doing this in a manufacturing enterprise, so did the need for a dedicated role. Modern manufacturing companies operate on the backbone of digital product and process information, and it's the VPI graduate that enables that backbone to happen. Without this job in place, companies will struggle to collect and utilize the information needed for digital manufacturing in the 21st century. Courses you may take in VPI include geometric modeling applications, product data management, model-based definition, simulation and visualization applications, digital manufacturing, and the business of managing digital product data.